Hello, welcome. Today's video is a quick unboxing. I ordered a fragrance from Fifth Avenue, as you can see here in the unboxing. I ordered this fragrance from Christian Louboutin. This beautiful red bottle. This fragrance is called Loubirouge. And I wasn't planning to talk in the video. I don't really remember the notes of this fragrance. I purchased it because I really like the notes that were listed in the description of this fragrance. I also wanted to own a fragrance from this brand, Christian Louboutin or Louboutin. I like the bottle because it has the stiletto shoe and the world. That's why I think it's called Loubi World, the collection. But I wasn't planning to talk in this video. I was just going to do a quick unboxing, a quick video or short. But I saw that the cap of the fragrance was all squished. So this little cap supposed to be good when you travel. You take this off because it's big, and then you put the travel cap that is all bent and squished. So I don't know if I will return the bottle, or well, the bottle is in good condition. Also, it smells well. It doesn't smell. And that means the bottle is in good condition. The fragrance is in good condition. The bottle is not broken. Also, the cap is not broken, and the cap is really heavy. And it doesn't smell. I like when the new perfumes don't smell when you just open it, because that means the fragrance never has been sprayed and is new. So I bought it at Fifth Avenue, but you never know. So the cap that comes with the bottle is really heavy. This is really heavy. That's why I think they add this little travel cap. But mine is, as you can see, is damaged. And I don't know if I should send this I don't know if I should send it back or they can send me a new one, but it's just the travel cap. And I don't know if I can fix it because it looks broken from the inside. The inside is plastic and the outside is metallic, but I don't know if I can fix it. I think I will try to fix it. I don't think, since the fragrance is in good condition, but it's very pricey, and when I buy things like that, I like luxury items, I want them to be in perfect condition, and it's not in perfect condition. But the cap that comes with the bottle, it is. I really like the shoe. It's really nice. The cap, this is in good condition. It's very heavy, and the fragrance is also heavy, the bottle. And I really like the color. I want to try some other fragrances from them. And you see these little spikes here. There is another one that I like that is called Loubirouge. No, Loubi, I don't remember, but there's another one that I'm probably gonna get in the future. Well, that's it for this video. I just wanted to record that my fragrance is in good condition, but the cap is damaged. I already tried to fix it a little, but I don't know what to do. Let's see if I can put it on. No. And I don't want to spray the fragrance today, so I'm gonna tell you if I like it in the future, because right now I'm going to spray something else. And I don't want to mix it. I bought this fragrance because it's supposed to be spicy, and I like spicy fragrances. Well, that's it for this video. I will see you next time. Bye.